Have you ever thought to find a way to have a continuous power operation in battery operated devices? The answer is simple. You can use ME004 and replace CR123A battery with external power supply. The installation and using it is very simple and quick. By using this device, you get rid of replacing batteries. Stay with me to watch an example of its usage. This is ME004, a 5 DC voltage to 3 DC voltage converter. The installation and using this device is very simple. Here I have a philio sensor. It uses CR123A battery for, or let's say as power supply. This is the battery of this sensor. Easily you can replace the battery and insert ME004 and enjoy continuous power supply. Just one thing about the wiring of the device. You can disconnect the wires from this part, which is in shape of battery, by using these two screws. The only thing that matters is that you must make a hole, for example here, to enter the wires to the sensor, inside the sensor. As an example, I use this hole. Red color must be connected to plus. Black must be connected to minus terminal. Now, by connecting a 5 DC power supply to this USB port, you can enjoy continuous power operation without needing to replace batteries anymore. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Do not hesitate to leave comments if you have any question. Goodbye.